Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today is going to be a quick tech tip on how to check a top end on a two-stroke. It's really simple. You can do this on any bike and it doesn't require any special tools. All you got to do is pull the pipe off. Let me get that done. Alright, so on this bike here, 21 Beta 200, it's got two springs here. You can get those off with a screwdriver or just a hook and pull those off. And then here you have a 8mm here, 8mm here, and the pipe pulls right off. Let me yank that off. Alright, pipe's off. Let me bring you in. Alright, with the pipe off, you can clearly look inside. You can see the crosshatch patterns. Let me move the piston a little bit more. And then here you can look in and see the rings and the piston in there. You can kind of get a good idea of what's going on. Now this Beta has 15 hours on it. It's not much time at all. Everything looks fine in there. There's no scratching or anything. What you want to look for is any scratches in your piston, any scores on it that are deep. You want to look for any blow by past the rings. So when you got the two rings there on this one, if you got a lot of brown past that where it's burning past the rings, you're gonna have blow by. All those kinds of things should be signs that you need to check it out and maybe take the top end off. Just take the head off and take a look inside there. But if you're looking at a clean piston like this one, just leave it in there and keep on going. So you have a lot of options there. This is really quick. I mean, the other options, of course, would be to run a compression tester on it, pull the head off and look at it. But it's just a quick one you can do every once in a while if you're concerned about your top end. Go ahead and pull that pipe off and give it a visual. It only takes a second. It's super easy. Doesn't require any special tools, and you'll be good to go. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Just a quick tech tip. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notification. Guys, until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair.